Probably almost 1 year, we talked with Emanuel here for making this experience and this event. And we met us probably a few years ago in Ibiza, and it was the idea to make something good for the tattoo culture and also give something back. And he really enjoyed with the idea, and now here we are with the first drawing tattoo workshop. It's actually 6 days. He made the first 3 days, full of drawing and interactive part. After these 3 incredible days, I continue with the other 3 days. We like to open one way to all these type of workshops.
In this location, the students, more than in Ibiza, they work until 4 o'clock, until 5 o'clock, all nights. A lot of students for drawing and drawing and drawing.
Wanna be 1 week full of art, and this is what we like, this ambient, and yes.
Only this location permit that.
Right, the ambient are good and the atmosphere are super for this workshop.
Yes.
Pues una convivencia increíble.
Es muy completo, muy técnico.
Professional and really progressive.
Treball, molt treball.
I would say love and passion.
Hatching, contraste.
La primera es gracias, o sea, para mí es la más importante.
Para mí fue una experiencia increíble.
Inspiring.
Mucho arte y muchísimo afán de superación.
Bueno, me da muchísima pena que esto se acabe.